Let's solve the next equation, functional equation. So we have to find f, find all the positive real numbers, such that f of x times fy equal with y fx for each x and y from positive real numbers. And also we have this condition of fx goes to 0 when x goes to infinity. So I will split the solution in some parts. First of all, f of x is injective. Why? Well, if I suppose that f of x1 is equal with f of x2, when I will consider it x and x1, I will have that x times f of x1 is equal with x1 times of f of x. When I will consider it x and x2, I will have f of x times f of x2 is equal with x2 times f of x. From this is going to result that x1 is equal with x2. Second, I will look at the general form for fixed point. First of all, I think I will show that f1 is 1. Why? Because if we consider it x and y equal to 1, I will have that f of f1 is equal to f1, and from injective I will have that f1 is 1. Now let's look at the general form for fixed point. So what I have, I will take y equal to x, and I will have f of x times f of x equal with x of f of x, from which x times f of x is a fixed point. Now, if we consider it y, so I will take x, a fixed point, a function, and I will take y to be equal with 1 over x. So I will have, if we look at the general form, I will have f of x times f of 1 over x is going to be equal with 1 over x times f of x. This one is going to be 1. This one is going to be x times f of 1 over x. And from this, f of 1 over x is 1 over x. And right now, I will show that x equal to 1 is the only fixed point. And why is that? If I will take, so let's consider it x a fixed point, and also I have that f of x is fixed point, and from the previous claim I will have also 1 over x. So I suppose that there exists t greater than 1, which is fixed point. Because I can do that, because Okay, so if x is bigger than 1, I'm done. If not, I will take 1 over t. And look, from the relation, if I take x and y equal with t, I will have f of t square equal with t square. F of t at power 4 is going to be t of power 4 when I can't take x and y t square. So so on and so forth on. I have that this stuff, yeah, and you know that when I take this sequence, it goes to infinity, but also f of this sequence goes to infinity, which is a contradiction from the second condition of the problem. So the only fixed point is 1, and because x times f of x is a fixed point, I'll have this relation. So f of x is 1 over x. Right now, the verification. So f of x times f of y is y times f of x. So x over y is y over x, where I have that y over x is y over x. First of all, first condition, and also second condition, f of x is 1 over x, which goes to 0 when x goes to infinity. A very beautiful problem. I hope that you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. I need that. Please. See you. Bye bye.